Some residencies are built to live in. Some are built to desire. This is Amberstone Vintara Residency. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Amberstone Vintara Residencies by Amberstone Properties, which is located off Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project. So the main entrance of the project will be right over this site. So the land parcel starts from here. And the marketing office of the project, which is right behind me over here, where they have the miniature of the project and even the model flat is ready. Now in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now I know you guys must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom read guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So Amberstone Vintara Residency is spread across 8.3 acre of land parcel, consisting of 4 residential towers, each rising from basement ground plus 29 floor, offering you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located in Chambenahalli off Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So this will be the main entrance and this road will lead you towards Sarjapur main road. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Sarjapur main road in just 2.3 kilometers away. Oxbridge International School is 4.1 kilometers away and D-Mart, which is 4.8 kilometers from this project. Now about the amenities part, of this project offers you 40 plus world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, a perfect swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, basketball court, tennis court and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and this project offers you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK starting from 1610 to 1943 square feet super built-up area, 3.5 BHK is 2094 square feet super built-up area and 4 BHK is 2677 square feet super built-up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage. So we are open with the expression of interest window. So our interested clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Amberstone Vintara Residency by Amberstone Properties, located off Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.